At the start of each new season, I like to take some time to just stop, reflect, and reset. So today I'm taking some time to do the little and sometimes boring things that'll set the tone for a great summer filled with joy, adventure, love, and growth. I hope this gives you a little inspiration to do the same. A clean house for me equals a clean mind. It's really difficult for me to function or think in a super messy or cluttered space. So deep cleaning is the first thing I like to do to kick off the summer, and honestly, every season, not just summer. I do have a housekeeper who cleans my house on a regular cadence, but there's just something super therapeutic about deep cleaning my home for myself. Going through my kitchen, my living room, my bedroom, my office, getting rid of anything that no longer serves me, dusting and sanitizing literally every surface you can imagine, and cleaning all of my upholstery. This gives way to a fresh start and only allows me to bring new things into this season that are meant to be here. Also, having a clean house really inspires me to invite my friends and my family over and spend quality time with the people that I love in the home that I love. Along the lines of cleaning, I also like to take some time to do a closet switchover. So this is where I take all my warmer clothes and I put them away in storage, and I just switch them out for all of my summer clothes. Every summer, I love to do a haul of new items that I need for my closet. Y'all know I love to go shopping. And instead of putting these clothes in my closet, I actually keep them on my clothing rack in my office. That way I can just see them more often and really feel inspired to style them. And it also inspires me to just like make plans to have places to wear my new clothes to. And that is where today's sponsor, Walmart, comes into play. I picked up a few new summer pieces on walmart.com, and let me tell you, if you're looking to add some pieces to your summer wardrobe, whether that be staple items or trendy items at an affordable price, Walmart got you. The first thing I ordered was this dress right here. This is like a no boundaries sort of like knit mini dress. It's very fitted, it's very flattering, and the print is just so fun. This is gonna be really perfect for like date night, brunch, going out with the girls, literally anything where I wanna be really cute, really fashionable, but like also kind of like sexy and grown and just like kind of on my grown woman thing, you know what I'm saying? The next thing that I picked up is this set right here. It's so gorgeous. It is from the brand Scoop. So the skirt is a midi skirt, but because I'm short, it's a maxi skirt on me. So it kind of like hits right above my ankles. And then I also picked up this matching cardigan and tank set. So it's a knit cardigan and the tank comes with it. And when I tell y'all, this is gonna be perfect for like a winery or something where I need to be a little bit more classy and dressed up and just a bit more like put together, if you will. And I also just love a monochromatic look, really year round, but especially in the summer, this like lavenderish, bluish kind of color is so great. It's just like very soft and very feminine. Next, I picked up this white tiered dress by the brand Free Assembly. And this to me is like a perfect quintessential work dress. First off, everyone needs a good staple white dress for the summertime. Not something that's like super fitted, but it's a little bit more oversized and just like a little bit bigger, if you will, so that you can wear it to a bunch of different occasions, but especially to work. It's very simple, but still very playful. It's definitely what I would call a wardrobe staple. I had to pick up some pieces for like weekend, athleisure, working out, or just like hanging out when I want to be super comfortable. So I picked up these two pieces on Walmart from the brand Avaya. And first off, this skirt. It's like a sweatsuit, tracksuit sort of material, like that swisher sort of material, but it does have these shorts underneath that are like more of a stretchy material, so it definitely just like form fits to your leg. This just looks so good on. It looks so dainty. It's like athletic but still very girly at the same time. I picked up this scoop neck crossback sports bra, and I got it in the color white just because I feel like white goes with anything when it comes to like athleisure bottoms. So I'll be able to mix and match this with a lot. But what I love about this, what I love most about it is the support that it provides. Like, it has a pretty thick cup inside. So if you're doing really like strenuous exercises, or if you're doing something super light, like going for a walk, like this is gonna give you all the support you need for literally like any like active activities. Obviously activities are active, but y'all understand what I'm saying. And last but certainly not least, I picked up this cute little handbag. This is by the brand Scoop on Walmart.com. And y'all can't tell me this bag isn't so adorable. It's nice, it's dainty, it's brown or like a camel color brown, and then it has some black detailing around the edges with gold hardware. So you can actually wear a couple different ways. So just wearing it as a nice little handbag with it in your hand is one way, but then it also comes with a strap that looks like this that also has gold hardware on it. So you can like attach this to the bag and wear it as a crossbody. But I personally, I don't know, I'm just kind of loving it as a nice little dainty handbag. I don't know, I think most times I'll probably wear it like this, just kind of like in my hand, and then sometimes I'll throw the chain on it or like the strap and wear it as a crossbody. I ordered all of them on Walmart.com, and when I tell you, it was super quick, super seamless, super easy, and honestly, the way that I prefer to shop these days. Of course, everything that I mentioned will be linked in the description box below. Again, thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of today's video. When I tell y'all it is so easy for me to spend hours on my phone scrolling through social media, it actually makes no sense. So at the start of each new summer, I try to be very intentional about spending less time on my phone and looking at my screen. One thing I like to do is to create a summer reading list, kind of similar to how we used to have to do at school when teachers would give us a summer reading list to complete by the end of the summer. Along with reading books, I also like to go back and read my goals for the year that I set at the top of the year and just see like, how am I doing with my goals? Am I reaching them? Am I exceeding them? And see if I need to change any and where I need to lean in a little bit more on specific goals. Something else that I really like to do to reduce my screen time is just starting one new hobby to commit to for the summer. Oftentimes we find ourselves thinking about all the new things we want to try that we end up actually trying nothing at all. So just start small, commit to one new thing, and just be very consistent with that one new thing. For me this summer, I really wanted to learn how to become better at making floral arrangements. I don't know, maybe it's because I have a wedding coming up in a few weeks, but I have become obsessed with flowers. So every Sunday, I've made it a ritual to go to the store, buy some new flowers, and just experiment with creating different bouquets and arrangements. It just allows me to creatively express myself in a way that I've never done before. Lastly, just going outside, getting some fresh air, and moving my body. Spending time outside in the sun and physical activity, of course, has so many proven health benefits on our bodies. It can be as simple as going for a walk at the park, going on vacation across the world. Either way, there's just way too much life to be lived outside this summer. So make sure that you're making plans to do just that. Here's to a successful summer reset and an amazing summer. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.